Hello, this looks like it's exactly where I left off from the last video, doesn't it? Except it's not. Meanwhile, when you weren't looking, I put stuff on page 3 and 4 and 5, and I don't even remember how many more, but I did circuits for each of these other segments. So to see if they work, well, first of all, they started off exactly the same way as segment 5. They had these four, they had receivers for these four signal senders, but they each one sent back a different signal sender, and that's what I have to hook up now. So I'll bring back, well, the pallet's already here. I'll right click on each one of these. I'll do them in order so I can hopefully not make mistakes. This needs to be multiple, and I need to hook it up to my, that's horizontal, H0.BMP. And this will be segment 1. This properties, this is segment 2, but it's vertical, V0.BMP, and also multiple, so I can connect a signal receiver to it. This one is properties. I don't even need to know the number while I'm doing this, do I? This is going to be a vertical 0.BMP initially, and it needs to be multiple input. I start thinking about which one they are when I do the signal receivers hooked up to it. This one is horizontal, so this is H0.BMP, and I need it multiple, so it will go on and off. Two more. That was 5. This is 6, so this will be another vertical, V0.BMP. What? Oh, it's invisible. Oh no. Except I can still see it because it doesn't have dots in it. It needs to be multiple input, so I can hook up the 0, 1 back and forth switches. Okay, properties. This is also needs to be multiple, and it needs to be horizontal, H0.BMP. Now, I need receivers for the signals that are being sent off the invisible pages I did behind the scenes. So I need to go back to the palette. Here it is. And I need receivers that for 1, 2, 3, 4, already have one for 5, 6, and 7. And do the select properties. You shall be seg 1, and this one seg 2. Seg 3. Seg 4. Already have seg 5. Seg 6. Seg 7. And then I need to connect them with wires. And to do that, I'm going to have to zoom in. Okay, 1 connects to the top segment. Oh dear. I think the battery in my mouse is dying. That's what I blame it on. It doesn't seem to realize that I'm holding down the mouse button as long as I am. Try to go back the other way. This is taking way longer than it should. Oh my goodness. Well, you know what? I'm going to bring the mountain to Muhammad over here. There. Now you don't have to go as far. And you still won't do it. I do blame the mouse for this. Finally. Okay, segment 2. Select, move over closer, then try the wire. This is much more difficult than it should be. Segment 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 is way over here. There is no way I'm going to get a wire to stretch that far across. I'll move it over. I hope these don't get in the way of the display. I think we'll still be able to see it, but there's only one way to find out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is segment 4, and without even trying it, I'll move segment 4's receiver closer, then connect the wire. Okay, segment 5 is already done. Thank goodness for small blessings. Segment 6 is way over across on the other side. I'll move it closer so I can connect it easier. My goodness. Phew. And segment 7, last but not least. I'm not even going to try you that far away. And a wire. Well, I don't know what you're giving me the no smoking for. That seems to be okay. That doesn't look okay, does it? That looks hideously ugly. Let's see if it will. I'm going to save it first. Cross my fingers, say a silent prayer, and see if it'll run. No. I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to get it closer up. Segment 67, I don't think so. Wouldn't that be fun, though, if you had to do 67 segments? I think so. Save. Way, way back. Shrink down. Please, oh please. Ah, we're in business. 0. Okay, let me see if I can be deliberate about this. There's 0. 1. Hey, we're in business. There's a 3. 2. 6, because the 4's place is on and 2's place, and 4 and 2 are 6. 6. 7, because 4 and 2 and 1 are 7. 8 should be everything. 8. 1 more is 9. Then 2 more is A, also known as 10. Then B. Then C. No, that's D. C. D. F. E. Okay, they weren't in order, but those were all the hex digits. So all the segments are working, and you'll have something like that, except it'll probably be much more attractive, and you could put a background, change colors, and all that stuff. But that's good enough for now. That shows what a working project one looks like with all the circuitry in place. And I don't know what else to say about it. You got kind of a messy, ugly segment 67 for free in that. But I won't begrudge you an unexpected freebie. I will try to figure out how to turn this thing off. I bet it's down here somewhere. So messy. Okay, bye.